Hello students, I am Nakul Sheth. Welcome to Java Programming Tutorials. In previous video, we have discussed what is interface and how to achieve multiple inheritance using interface. Now, in this video, we are going to see one of the most important difference considering with your exam and interview point of view as well. That difference is abstract class and interface. So we are going to see all possible differences between abstract class and interface in this video. So the first point is all about when we should go for interface or when we should go for abstract class. So as an answer of this question, I can say if we don't know anything about implementation but just we have requirement specification, then we should go for interface. But if we are talking about partial implementation of our requirement, then we should go for abstract class. So I hope this point is clear to all when we should go for interface or when we should go for abstract class. Now the second point is all about some methods. So every methods present inside interface is always public and abstract method, whether we are declaring or not, and each and every method present inside interface are always public and abstract. That's why interface is known as 100% pure abstract class. But if we are talking about abstract class, we can create concrete methods or normal methods as well. So happily we can take abstract methods as well as concrete method inside our abstract class. So there are no problem at all. We can happily create concrete method in abstract class. Now the third difference is very important one. Every interface method is always public method. If it is always public, then we can't declare it with private or protected modifiers. And then every interface method is always abstract method. So for an abstract method, we can't declare it as final, static, synchronized, native or strict FP. We can use all of these modifiers to declare a normal method. But if we are talking about an abstract method, we can't declare any of these modifiers. Now let us see the next difference. All methods present inside interface are always public abstract method. That's why we can't declare an interface method with these modifiers. And if we are talking about abstract class, then there are no restriction at all. Abstract class method can be public, can be protected, can be final, can be static. Okay? So the second point and third point are all about some interface and abstract class methods. Now next points are all about some variables. So every variable present inside interface are always public, static, final variable, whether we are declaring or not. But what about abstract class variable? So every variable present inside abstract class need not be final, need not be public, need not be static. Now the fifth difference, we can't declare interface variable with following modifiers, that is private, protected, transient or volatile. But in abstract class there are no restriction to declare a variable. Now another important difference for interface and abstract class is, for interface variable compulsory we should perform initialization at the time of declaration, otherwise we will get compile time error. And for an abstract class variable, it is not required to perform initialize at the time of declaration. Now these 3 points, 4th, 5th and 6th are all about variables. So the next difference, inside interface we can't declare instance and static block, Otherwise, we will get compile time error. But in abstract class, we can declare instance variable or static block as well. Now listen. Inside interface, is it possible to create a constructor? So, inside interface, we cannot create a constructor because constructor are used to initialize an instance variable. But in interface, every variable are static variables. That's why inside interface, the constructor concept is not applicable. But inside abstract class, we can declare instance variable. That's why we can implement constructor inside our abstract class. Okay? And that constructor will be executed at the time of child object execution. So there are total 8 points we covered regarding this difference. Now we are going to see some important questions to this video. The first question, can we make a private method inside our interface? Second question, can we create constructor for an interface in Java? Third question, can we make an abstract class as final class? Fourth question, all methods available inside interface are always. And the last and very important, can we create a default method inside our interface in Java? So, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, stay happy, bye.